Day 20. Chat, I might be cooked. My legs are not feeling good. But I got a couple hours before football. Gonna ice up. Probably heat them up too a little bit. Put a heating pad on them. Cause I'm gonna ice every single spot on my leg. Hey, I'll figure it out though. But we might be cooked. My legs are feeling absolutely terrible. I can't jump. Anytime I bend my knees at all, it just kills my legs. I'll figure it out, chat. And I'll let y'all know in day 21. Yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Better content's on the way, boys. Trust. Catch y'all in day 21. Animal crackers and ice packs. Animal crackers and ice packs. Animal crackers and ice packs.